Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing Windows 11, make sure updates are applied, and developer mode is enabled if you will use advanced features. Next, choose your installer. The Microsoft Store is quick but Python. Org gives full control, pick Python. Org for consistency. Run the installer as administrator and critically check Add Python to path before you click Install. Once done, the installer also offers pip and the Pi launcher. Accept those options so you can run scripts and install packages immediately. You now customize the installation for reliability. Include pip, install for all users if desired, and enable path and launcher options. After installation, verify by opening command prompt, run Python version, Pi-3, and pip version to confirm the runtime and package manager are accessible. Once verified, create isolated environments with Python mvenv. Venv in your project folder and activate using venv \scripts \activate so dependencies don't conflict across projects. Make sure to use Pi. You're ready to run code. From your project folder, use Python script, Pi or PyScript, Pi, and leverage Python m to run modules. Manage packages with pip install package and keep pip current with Python m pip install upgrade pip. If something breaks, troubleshoot path conflicts. Open PowerShell and echo %path% to inspect entries and prefer the Pi launcher to avoid ambiguous Python. exe versions. If path is wrong, remove duplicate Python entries or reinstall with the Add Python to path option checked.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.